Hi everyone, today I'm going to show you how to make Pav Bhaji and as well as the bhaji in a very authentic way and as well as to roast the pav in a very rightful way. Please stay with me, I'll just show you how to make it. So these are all the ingredients that I have kept in a plate. So here is the Kabul chana and as well as the white chickpeas that I have boiled and as well as kept it in a cup. I'm keeping the cooker. So I have kept the cooker. So as I said, the chana and as well as the white peas I am putting into the cooker. Putting the aloo, adding some carrot, adding a half teaspoon of salt, adding turmeric, adding some water, I am closing the lid so that each of the vegetables that have been poured into the cooker I have taken a kadai and kept it for heating. So I see that it is been heated. And first thing is like I have to put 2 to 3 spoons of ghee. Adding some cumin seeds. Adding some green chilies. And some grated turmeric and as well as the ginger. Fry it nicely. Next you need to add some of the tomatoes. Adding capsicum. Some coriander leaves. Some mint leaves. Mix it well. Adding some water. Mixing it again. Adding some salt. Mixing it well. So once it is semi-boiled, you can just switch off the stove. So as we see that this is getting cooked, so we need to cook it for around 5 to 10 minutes. So as we see that this is being semi-boiled. So these are the ingredients. Before I had cooked it in a cooker that I have taken it out, and the same ingredients right now I will put it into the kadai and cook it for 2 to 3 minutes. So I'm mixing it well. so that each of the mixture that I am mixing that aligns with the aloo and as well as the other ingredients. When we try to mix all of these ingredients, it should mix it well so that it gives us the good taste. So let's leave it for 2 to 3 minutes to cook. Adding some butter to flavor and as well as the taste. Mixing it well. Gas stove. And the ingredients what we have fried till now, this one I will be putting into the mixie jar so that it will give us a fine taste to prepare a bhaji. Before I put it in a mixie, let it cool down for 2 to 3 minutes and then we can grind it well. Adding a little bit of coriander before we grind it so that it will give you a good flavor and as well as a taste. The gravy is cooled down. Right now I am going to take a mixie and put all of this mixture into the grinder and make it into a very fine grinded paste. Water to the gravy so that it mixes well. So as you can see, the mixture is finely pasted. Let's take it out in the bowl. Again I have kept the kadai and kept it for heating. As we see that kadai has been heated, now we will add for this 3 tablespoons of ghee. Adding some jeera. Adding some shahi jeera. Mix it well. Adding the mixture of fine grinded paste to the kadai. Adding the remaining ones. Mix it well. As we see that the gravy is very much thicker, so I am adding some water to it. Mix it well. So let us keep it for boil for 5 to 7 minutes. So while the gravy is boiling, let's add some garam masala. Adding some half teaspoon of chaat powder. Adding some chili powder. So here I have taken 1.5 spoon of chili powder. So right now I'm adding a Pav Bhaji masala. If you would like to know how I made the Pav Bhaji masala at home, just put as a comments in the inbox of the YouTube of our channel. I'll just help you with how exactly the Pav Bhaji masala is being made. Let's add some kasuri methi. Adding some 1 tablespoon of salt. Adding some boiled peas. Let's mix it well. So I would like to tell you one secret tip. If you want a chili powder and as well as a pav bhaji powder that needs to be mixed well, add it with little bit of water. These both of the ingredients, mix it well and pour it into the mixture. We need to add 1 tablespoon of butter so that it gives a very good flavor and as well as taste. And let us close it with a lid. Keep it for 3 to 5 minutes to make the mixture well mixed. Adding some chopped coriander. Mix it well. As we see that the gravy is ready. Let's add some coriander to it. Adding some mint leaves. I have kept a karai for heating. Taken some 4 to 5 slices of the pav. So now I am going to teach you how exactly the pav that needs to be heated well so that it gives you a good flavor of a taste from the front side and as well as the back side. So to heat the pav, first I'll put the butter on the pan. Make the pav into the 2 pieces. Just be very careful that the pav should not be heated too much. You can add little bit butter on it so that it gives you a very good flavor. Please do not use the oil. Oil does not give much taste. So you can add it ghee or the butter. Let's flip it up. You can see it is baked very nicely. So we can see that the pav is ready. Let's serve it on the plate.